Yes, I did, SpongeBob. He wouldn't shut up. I heard SpongeBob. You went for a fly. Alright, Pearl. What the?
Alright, Pearl. Let's go out on a date.
Holy David freaking Neptune Pigeon! What are you doing here with me daughter at my own house?
Hey, Mr. Krabs. I forgot something.
Mickey, listen! It's just a misunderstanding, Mickey, okay? He didn't really mean it!
I bought this Mickey Mouse. They were making out in the bed and the bed was shaking for like 2 hours straight.
Move, SpongeBob. I'm gonna take the secret formula.
I'm sorry, Plankton, but I'm not gonna let you steal the secret formula, so you better give it back to me, Plankton.
You really think I'm scared of you, SpongeBob? You're nothing but a fluffy cheesecake. Get out of my way, Sponge.
You shouldn't be afraid of me, Plankton. You should be afraid of him.
Yeah, right.
Hello there, Plankton.
Oh, hey, Mr. Krabs. I'll just return this to you.
I was thinking, Plankton. I appreciate that.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're not understanding, Plankton. Now get out of here, because you freaking great scumbag!
Oh, hey, me, I got some good. Oh, Clarabelle, I am so much better than that poor Goofy. Are you freaking serious right now, Minnie? First Goofy, then Pete, and now Squidward? What the hell's the matter with you, woman? Oh my God.
I'm sorry, Mickey. It's just I get very lonely. You're not always here.
Sorry? Sorry's your only freaking answer, Minnie? Are you kidding me? You ruined our marriage, okay? You ruined my life. And you're doing it with Donald? Donald doesn't even care! Look at him!
Oh, give me a break, Mr. Krabs. Your daughter is old enough to make her own decisions, and I'm gonna take her whether you like it or not, Mr. Krabs. She makes me happy.
What the hell did you just say to me, Goofy?
You heard me, Mr. Krabs. Your daughter makes me freaking happy. God damn, Neptune! My leg!
Go back to Bikini Bottom, you son of a freaking bitch!
But Mickey, get the...
Oh, you gotta get out of my house.
Damn. I mean, Squidward, to be honest, why would you date a fat ass like Pearl?
What did you say to me?
Sorry, Mr. Krabs.
What is going on?
SpongeBob, don't worry about it.
If I catch you talk like that to my wife again, Donald, I'm gonna send you back to the hospital. You understand, mate?
All right, Mr. Krabs.
Holy crap, Squidward.
Shut up, Spud! All right, you two particle heads. Which one of you decided to steal me daughter from me cash register?
Bah, that was Donald.
Yep, it was Donald. I saw him do it. Oh, yuck.
What the hell? No, I did not, SpongeBob. Don't you dare put me in this situation again, Mr. Krabs. I did. Squidward! Mr. Krabs, you have to listen to me. I swear to you, granddaughter.
this works.
Shut up, Goofy!
What did you say to me?
Listen, okay, I'm sorry. Hey, Donald, I just came to check. What the freak, Donald? Why didn't you clean up your room?
Because, Mr. Krabs, I can come in here whenever I want to, Mr. Krabs, and if you got a problem with it, let me know.
I don't know where this attitude is coming from, but you better listen to me right now, Donald. I am not having these freaking tricks, man, because I better not see that happen again.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Krabs. Did I mean to hurt your feelings? Grow up, Mr. Krabs. Freaking loser.
Donald, you need to stop doing this. I am not having these freaking tricks, man. If I hear you cuss one more time, I'm gonna throw you out of this house, Donald. And I mean it.
Whatever, Mr. Krabs. I'm 5 minutes late. I don't see him.
Hello there, pal.
Hi. Wait, what? No! What the hell? No! Stop! Stop! That's what happens when you're late, Mr. Squidward! Let's take it out, Mr. Krabs! You fuck!
Mr. Krabs, your secret formula is gone!
What the hell do you want, Mr. Krabs? Where's my secret formula, Screamer? I know you have it! What the hell are you talking about, Mr. Krabs? I don't have it! Then who took my secret formula, Screamer? Because I am not in I took his secret formula, Krabs. Playtime! Citizens, get over here! Playtime, you son of a harmony! Holy hey, Mr. Krabs! Don't you ever steal me secret formula, Playtime! Okay, Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs, open this door, give me my paycheck!
Sorry, Squidward, I threw your paycheck in the garbage. Arf! Mr. Squidward, get out of my office!
Fuck you, Miss Queen.
Yeah! Mr. Squidward, did you call me a fat ass?
No, Mr. Krabs, but you do look like one.
Time for your punishment, Squidward!
Mr. Krabs!
There you are, Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna get payback for you eating my pizza.
No, Goofy, I'm sorry. No! Oh my God! No!
No one eats my pizza.
No, Goofy, stop! No!
SpongeBob or Squidward?
I believe he said he's gonna take the secret formula.
Mr. Squidward!